of year program, end of year program, end of year program. Are you in Togo, Benin Republic, Ghana, Nigeria, or any part of the world? Join us from 28th through 31st December 2024 at the church headquarters, Hand of God Church of All Nations, Joje, Volta Region, Ghana. Saturday, the 28th of December 2024, there will be prayer at the Prayer Mountain for Living Water Service. Time 8 a.m. Sunday, the 29th of December 2024, there will be Thanksgiving service at the church headquarters, Hand of God Church of All Nations, Joje, Volta Region, Ghana. Time 7 a.m. Come expecting your miracles, signs and wonders. Monday, the 30th of December 2024, there will be prophetic healing and deliverance at the prayer line. Time 8 a.m. The man of God, Apostle Hounkpati, will give you a stone of David, a back to sender stone after the prayer at the prayer mountain. Tuesday, the 31st of December 2024, time 6 a.m. there will be washing of feet by the humble servant of God, Apostle Hounkpati, to enable you enter into the new year 2025. Also, Tuesday, the 31st of December 2024, time 7 p.m. there will be crossover service, crossing over from the year 2024 into the new year 2025. Host, Apostle Hounkpati. Jesus. For more information and inquiry, please call the numbers on your screen. Wherever you are in any part of the world, make out time to attend this program. You are blessed beyond curse, and your expectation will not be cut short.